I always go back to the adamant tournament. And my trophy burns. No. What just happened? Guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah. For some reason, the audio sounds way down. I don't know why. But this is the new Battle Pass thingy mabobber. So yeah. New pixel gun video. I wonder what weapon I should aim for. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I don't know, a bit of allergies, I guess. Probably not. Probably sneeze. I don't know. Okay, so I got more parts out of the thing that I didn't want. 1 second. No. Okay, yeah, I think I want this. Oh, no, I think I want that one. And that's good. That's the one that I have the most pieces to. So, great. I hate this game. I always go back to the adamant tournament. And my trophy burns. No. What just happened? How did I get that many coins? No. What just happened? What just happened? What's versus? These chests look cool. But, dude, what? I saw that it just said, oh, and also this stuff's ugly. Dude, I can almost get this! What is this game? What happened? Dude, wait. No, can I get it? Can I get... Oh, I have to win it first. Or let the season thing be over. But that's in 14 days. Okay, well, anyways. No way. I just got a burst of coins. Epicness. I love this. But, no, wait. Do modules give you coins now? What? Well, now noobs are gonna be OP. Oh, I could get that. I could definitely not get this. Okay, that was cool. I almost got enough for that. That's the one that I really wanted. Wait. The Royal Knife... Oh, wait, no, it's just a thing. 1 second. What's the thing that I've always wanted in this game? Nothing? Okay, well, that's weird. Thought I'd always wanted this weird OP thing, but I guess not. Well, this is nice. This is a way easier way to get coins. Oh, whenever it has that, it means that they're skins. Oh, this looks epic. No way, I have exactly enough for that? No. This is great, this is great. This is great. Oh. Okay. How can it get any better than this? I mean, like, seriously. I think I'm gonna have to scrap my last Minecraft video that I made. I did barely anything in that video anyways. Okay, seriously, one second, I have to do something. Okay, sorry guys. Well, that was a nice change of events. Just a sudden burst of coins. Where's my thing? Okay, yeah, it's still going. Okay. Dude. This is... How do I say it? How do I say it? Like, literally, how do I say it? Well, I already got 70 pieces for that. Somehow I also got a bunch of gems. Now I'm banked. I mean, broke. Not banked. Hey, look, they redid some of the planets like I did some of the planets. Okay, wait. Yeah. He has that big sky weird thing. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I've been playing this game for a while. I'm pretty good at it. Aw. Feels nice to have the storm hammer. I did get like a little thing where I could try it for like a few rounds. Blow darts. Blow darts. Ah. Okay, he has the anti-champion rifle. Blow darts. Okay, well, thanks. Oh, wait, someone's shooting at me. No, not in here. No, okay. Oh, I want that so bad. If there's a way that you can send coins in this game that I don't know, please send me coins. Like 35 coins. Why did... You can stand on this? What? Can you please suck me up? Well, that was cool. You're going down, dude. Nope. Ah. Dude, that looks epic. Return of Sega. Okay. Comment down below if you like Sega, because I personally don't. Like, I'm fine with Sega, but it's not my favorite. Actually, I've never even used Sega before. No, not here. I want to go up. Okay, what did that do? Was it healing me or something? I feel our vibrations. Okay, how do you kill someone with a plunger gun? Poison darts! You have insane armor! And an insane weapon! Oh, hard though volcano. I see one of my friends has it. Okay. Speaking of friends, I mean like one like the million I have. Not sure which one it was though. Yeah, I sort of wanted that. Okay, now I don't even feel vibrations. Okay, well, that was a challenge complete. An easy challenge, I say. Someone's username was FBI. I know I have a friend named whose username is FBI. Wait. It's saying that I have enough room for more friends. Did I get rid of a friend? Sorry about this. Skip. Then. Arcade season. I love arcades. What are the rewards? No. That looks epic. I don't really care about this guy. Okay. Oh! I need the pew pew spaceship. Player 1. Where's player 2? A secret character. You know, I don't really think that's a secret character. That sort of looks like, I think you guys know who that sort of looks like. Tuba backpack. I sort of want that speed up thing. Pixel steam sword. I want everything. But I know I'm not gonna get everything. I know that I'm gonna get at least 3 things. Out of everything in this battle pass, I'm surprised this isn't the thing that I want the most. I'm pretty sure the chest is one of the stuff that I wanted the most. But I want this speed up thing. That looks cool. Sort of looks a little bit like Ant-Man. Make 100 shots from the weapon of the primary category. No problemo. Nope. You are dead. Okay. Why do I have to have the stats bleeding? Oh, good. I thought in the update they'd make it, yeah. Did that guy there have a naked skin? He has a naked skin. Sorry for the, inconvenience, viewers. I love how they make a new update every season. Okay, I thought that was Infinity Gauntlet at first. Okay, that guy's dead. Thank you. Took the armor. Thanks. Oh, hi. Ah! Like a Hellcat.